If your sentiment scent diffuser is acting strange, maybe it's unresponsive, not releasing fragrance properly, or ignoring your settings, a reset is often the fastest way to bring it back to normal. These devices run on programmed cycles and internal controls, and sometimes those settings get stuck or misaligned after power interruptions or extended use. When that happens, the diffuser may seem like it's not working at all, even though nothing is actually broken. A proper reset clears everything internally and gives the system a clean restart. The point is to follow the reset process correctly so the diffuser fully reinitializes. Let's go through it step by step and get your unit back on track. Try these. 1. Switch off the diffuser and safely unplug it from the power source. 2. Leave it disconnected for a short time to clear internal memory. 3. Remove the fragrance bottle and check its position. 4. Reinsert the bottle and reconnect the diffuser to power. 5. Turn the unit back on using the main control button. 6. Verify that the diffuser starts working with normal output.